everyone, so I'm here with a sit down video for you guys today. I thought I would show, that is Colton if you're wondering what the noise is. I thought I would show what is in our diaper bag. So I'm actually using a different diaper bag than I normally use. Right now I'm using this Steve Madden one. I've tried to find this online so that I could link it and I cannot find it, but I will try and find something similar to it. Yeah, it's Steve Madden. I found it at a Burlington Coat Factory. Normally I use a Skip Hop Forma backpack, the black one, but the zipper is broken right now. So I'm actually speaking to the company and they are going to be sending me a new one. So I am going to do a full review actually on that bag and talk about my experience with them once that all goes through. So for now I'm going to talk about what's in this diaper bag. So like I said, I don't really use this one that much, so it's kind of a mess because I've just been chucking things in it when I was trying to get everything out of the broken one. So we'll kind of just get into it. So it looks like this. There is one big compartment here with a zipper pocket and two little just little pockets, like little fabric pockets on the side. There's two diaper pockets on the sides of the outside and then this one zipper pocket. I hope you can see this. On the outside it does come with one of the little pacifier pod things. So inside here I just have a Nivea lip balm, a Tommee Tippee 6 to 18 month soother. We just switched over to 6 to 18 month. And a Dr. Brown's pacifier clip. I think that's it. Yeah, a Dr. Brown's pacifier clip. We use Dr. Brown's bottles, so I have a lot of Dr. Brown's products. But he didn't like the Dr. Brown's soothers, unfortunately. And then there's also this super cute little clip on the outside that looks like a little like diaper pin or whatever. So yeah, so on the outside of the bag is this big zipper pocket, and in there I just keep like random stuff. So I have these 7th generation wipes that I was sent in the mail. I have Canadian Tire money because we are Canadian, and there's a store here called Canadian Tire, and they give out like, instead of like well, they just got rewards cards, but instead of having like rewards cards, they give out like this fake money that you can use, which is really fun. I have some Enfamil A+ Gentlees, these little like single serve things. I think this does a 4-ounce bottle. I just keep these in here just in case. Another 7th generation wipe, some female products. These are just like Kleenex, little Kleenex things, but they're like the Betsy Johnson ones because me and my sister love Betsy Johnson. Another Enfamil Gentlees pack. This is so mom of me, but a bunch of like the wet wipes from different restaurants. So I think these were from like Wild Wings, and these were from like Kelsey's. I always swipe that kind of stuff when we're leaving if they give us those kind of things. Just because they're nice to have in your bag if you run out of wipes or you have a mess, or you know, you have a baby, so there's always a mess. Yeah, so I don't think I have anything in these side pockets. No, I'll usually put a bottle. Oh, I have something. Oh, this is an old pacifier. Actually, I have to take this out. This is a 0 to 6 month Tommee Tippee pacifier. I usually will pre-make one bottle at least and have it in here, or have like a water bottle for him in here, because he's almost 7 months, but he's actually been drinking like little bits of water since he was like a month old, which our doctor recommended. So obviously you would speak to your doctor before you give a infant any kind of just plain water. So the bag does have stroller straps, which come in handy. I don't use them that often because we have the Graco Click Connect 35 stroller, the single wheel, or like it's one that is like 2 wheels and then like 2 little wheels in the front. So the bottom is pretty big, but so I usually put that down there, but if we're shopping and we want more room to like put things underneath, I will use the stroller straps. So the inside of the bag is really big, and it's a freaking mess, like I said, so I'm just gonna pull things out and show you guys in no particular order. So this is our Dr. Brown's formula holder. This holds 3 bottles full of formula, I guess. Right now he's drinking 6 ounces, so I have it measured out. I think 2 of them are full right now, so I have it measured out for enough powdered formula for a 6-ounce bottle. I have some Buggy Wipes. This is like the full pack. I need to get one of those like smaller ones. This was just on sale, so I bought this one. Because just recently he's been getting kind of like, not stuffed up, but I just find like the boogers kind of get like crusty outside of his nose, so I grabbed these. A couple toys. So this is a Jellycat little bunny that my best friend bought for him. And of course I'll link all this down below if I can find it. This is the Sophie the giraffe that everybody has. What else? Let me get some other toy in here. Yeah, this is the Fisher Price little coffee rattle. Looks like a Starbucks coffee cup. I have my keys. They're just on a Canadian Cancer Society lanyard. I have a Jon Snow little keychain, a little Hello Kitty keychain, just a bunch of random keys, stuff for work when I go back to work, so it's still on here. I have some of these which feel crushed, so those will go in the garbage. The baby mums, these are just the original ones. This is kind of just if, you know, we're out to eat or something and there isn't something we're not like super comfortable giving him. We'll just give him one of these so he doesn't like flip out. But he's been pretty good with like, even if we have like, I don't know, if we're at a restaurant, somebody at the table has like French fries, we'll give him like a couple French fries and he'll even eat those. So yeah, just have those just as a snack for him. I have some diapers. See, that's my issue with this bag, is there's not really anywhere to put anything, so like these diapers are all like crushed from like things coming in and out. So right now we have the Kirkland size 2 diapers. He's just about to move out of the size 2. We're just finishing them up and he'll be in the size 3. But we've really been liking the Kirkland diapers, and that means they're from Costco. I have some of these wet ones. My sister got me these. They just have like one of these kind of openings, and those are helpful for cleaning things off too. This is his immunization record. I don't know how it works in the States, but here in Canada or in Ontario, this is I guess for the Ontario one, we got this like little yellow paper. Mine was even smaller when I was a kid. It was tiny, but they're like big like this, and it's neat because it has all the information of when they actually are supposed to get their shots. And then the nurse or the doctor, whoever gives him his shot, marks off what they've given him and what date, and so that goes in there. So I just keep that in the bag so that I don't forget it when we go to the doctor. I have the little Diaper Genie travel diaper bags. I don't actually have a Diaper Genie. We just use like a little garbage can that came with a set from IKEA, and then I just actually buy these like scented little garbage bags at the dollar store and put them in there. I love that, and it's so much cheaper than Diaper Genie refills. And then this is just the little, you know, travel one, and it's basically like a dog poo bag. And I found actually the little refill bags. They are the Diaper Genie ones that go with it. I found them at a grocery store, or no, a drugstore around here for like super cheap. So I bought like 6 of them. So we have like refills for a while, and I actually really like these. So then, like I said, we use the Skip Hop bag usually, and the Skip Hop bag comes with 2 little like packing cubes. So this is the 1 packing cube. So I'm still using it in this bag. And here I keep like an extra change of clothes. So I have just a Carter's onesie, which, yeah, is that the right size? That's the right size. Just a little Carter's onesie. These are just little Carter's pants, which those might be too small for him now. I have to check those. And then I also have a little, just a receiving blanket. We usually use like muslin swaddles, but I find in the diaper bag sometimes they're a little bulky, so I always just keep a receiving blanket in the diaper bag, just in case we need one. And right on top here I have my wallet. This is just a, I don't know, it's a wallet from like Marshall's, I think, and it's by the brand Collab. I actually really like this. With a case, my iPhone 6 Plus doesn't fit in it, but without a case it actually does fit in it, so that just shows you actually like how big it is. But it's just full of junk and a lot of change, because I like to use cash and save all the change and then put it in a piggy bank. So I actually need to clean the change out of it. But it holds a lot, and it's like super flexible and it zips up. I like wallets that zip all the way around so nothing can fall out. Okay, and next, like I said, we use the Skip Hop bag usually. So this is another one of those packing cubes. This is the insulated one for the bottles. Right now I just have enough for one bottle in here. So this is an 8-ounce bottle, but I have 6 ounces of water with the travel cap. We have the little air thing that goes inside, and then the nipple and the cap that goes on top of there. I have a little George bib. It's actually from Walmart. I actually really like this bib. I think it was like $8 for 2 of them, but they're really thin and easy to wash, and it has the little pocket, so if he drops food, it'll catch it. But I also just recently bought the like disposable bibs. I haven't tried them out yet, but I saw them on sale, so I thought I would try those out as well. But I have this, and as you can see, it's insulated inside. And then I also have this little plastic container with some plastic spoons in here in case you need to spoon feed him anything. And these are technically like disposable. You can just toss these, but I don't toss them because I'm super cheap. Oh, are you coughing? That's a fake cough. And then we also have the change mat for this actual diaper bag. I love this change mat. For Steve Madden not really being like a baby brand, their change mat is fantastic. It's huge. Yeah, I have a boy and it's like pink, but whatever. This is like my mom diaper bag, as I call it. But yeah, this is like coated in like a plastic, like almost like laminate. I would like it like if you laminated like a piece of paper, that's what it feels like. So it's super easy to clean, and then the other side is like a fake leather with like a super nice elastic on it. I love this change pad. And then I also have the this is one of those Huggies, I don't know what they call these wipe containers, but it's like zipper on the top, so you can put the wipes in, but then also has the little click opening so you can get the wipes out. And I find that it keeps them really moist, so I really like this thing. And then I have, this is a mess right now because like I said, I had to chuck all the stuff in, so I had to throw things in here that I normally have just in other pockets in our other diaper bag. This is a little bag, it's like a little travel bag. I think it came with like Live Clean stuff. But in here I have kind of random things. So some washcloths. I have, this is, oh, that's another Tommee Tippee soother, and this is a 0 to 6 month one too, so we can get rid of that one. A pair of socks. Oh, another pair of socks, which are 0 to 6, so we have to get rid of those too. Those are too small. This is a Live Clean Baby Tearless Baby Wash, just in case we have to wash him or anything. What are you doing? This is a Live Clean Baby Lotion. It smells really good. It's funny, my mom was looking for lotion the one day and I just handed her this because I didn't have any hand lotion with me. I have these little Infantino wrist buddies, I think they're called, and you like put them on their wrists, and when the baby moves they shake and rattle or whatever, and now he's like really interested in it. Wow. This is a Dr. Brown's teether. I don't know if they actually have like a name. I'm not sure. But it's Dr. Brown's, and it's like a little giraffe. I have a little thermometer because we have an actual like in-ear thermometer here at home, so I just threw this one. It's like one of those safety first ones that comes in one of those safety first kits, so I just threw that in our diaper bag just in case. I doubt it would even be that effective because he probably would just spit it out. I've never actually tried it. I have a little container of pseudo cream. I love pseudo cream. And I also have one of those soft like baby brushes that came in one of those safety first kits. Nail clippers that also came in a safety first kit. This is a PPTP, which is pretty self-explanatory. You just pop it on top. And then a few more washcloths, because if you've seen my newborn essentials video, you know that you need washcloths. Oh, and then a little nail files in there too. And then I think on the inside, in the little like side pockets here, I don't have anything. And then in the zipper pocket is kind of just stuff for me. So I have little wipe things for my glasses. I have my sunglasses, which are the Ray-Ban shooters. I will link them down below. They are prescription, which is why I need like nicer sunglasses, or I would never buy sunglasses that expensive. I have Purell. I have a pen. I have a little kabuki brush kind of thing. Oh, a Lush gift card. That's good. A Sephora mirror that comes with like, if you get a gift card. My sister got me a gift card for Christmas. I have a Blistex, and I have, oh no, what's wrong? What's wrong? You want to play with this? I have a Blistex. Obviously, I love lip balm. And I have a Clear Eyes Allergy eye drops because I get really bad allergies sometimes, and I need eye drops. So yeah, that's everything, and Colton is crying right on cue. So that's everything in our diaper bag. I love seeing diaper bag videos. I love getting ideas of what I should keep in mine. So please guys, let me know down below if you have a diaper bag video that I can watch, or if you have any suggestions of what we can keep in our diaper bag. And if you're not subscribed and you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you in our little YouTube family. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, and comment down below any videos that you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!